What's up mga ka-tourists?
So this is Christine Ambahan.
And this is Sherilyn Madraga. So for today's vlog, we're going to have a travel vlog. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Arat na!
So bago tayo pumunta sa ating mga destination, gusto ko munang ipahayag sa inyo kung ano ba ang alintuntunin ng isang tour guide. So, pakinggan muna natin. Tour guides accompany groups of visitors to tourist attraction, whether on a day trips or longer visits, and give them information and insight that help them make the most of experience.
Observe color jets of water and shooting laser lights moving to the sounds of pop music. The Korean design fountain dominates the square between important buildings such as the town's cathedral and the city hall. When nights fall, the fountain becomes a gathering place for tourists, lovers, and families with children.
At sa wakas, mga katuris, nandito na tayo sa Old Provincial Jail ng Ilocos Sur. At alam niyo ba mga katuris, na pagpasok pa lang namin dito sa labas ng Old Provincial Jail ay andyan na yung mga gwardyang sumalubong sa amin upang ipahayag ang mga dapat gawin at di dapat gawin sa loob at sa labas ng provincial jail. At first, sinabihan na kami na bawal po tayong mag-video sa loob at sa labas ng museum na ito. At dahil sa pandemyang ating ikinahaharap, hindi rin sila nagpapapasok sa loob ng museum ng mga tourist. Kaya wala kaming nagawa ng aking partner, dito na lang kami sa labas nag-picture. At nais kong ipahayag sa inyo ang history ng Old Provincial Jail of Ilocos Sur. The centuries-old Provincial Jail of Ilocos Sur, where former Philippine President Elpidio R. Quirino was born, was converted as National Museum to become the repository of historical artifacts and paintings that will showcase the art and culture of Ilocanos.
Cybele Tower was built in 1591 and served as the belfry of Santuario de Nuestra Señora de Caridad, St. Augustine Parish, one of the oldest surviving churches in Ilocos Sur, established in 1590. It also served as a watchtower for the people of Bantay Municipality in Ilocos Sur. Baluarte, the residence of former Governor Luis Chavit Singson, features an interactive mini zoo, skeet shooting range, butterfly garden, pony rides, and a function hall. Visitors are given free admission and free use of its facilities in the picnic area.
The most beautiful street in the Philippines can be found in Vigan, Colony Crisolico. It was started by the pre-war beauty houses. It is the only town during the World War II that was saved from the destruction because of a love story.
What makes Vigan unique from the other cities of the Philippines? It recognizes its past, preserve its culture and heritage. It is very much integrated its present for awareness and economic.
The historic town of Vigan was established during the Spanish domination of the Philippines, and it still has the same look and feel hundreds of years later. The well-preserved city is the capital of Ilocos Sur in the northwest of Luzon, and is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating travel vlog. Goodbye everyone! Keep